Luigi Mario, the forgotten Mario. Boy, he seems like he'd be poor. While Mario is off collecting coins, saving princesses, Luigi's back at home, probably living off of welfare, because he ain't got a job, because there's no plumbing jobs in Mushroom Kingdom, because Mario's stomping all the piranha plants out of the pipes, and he gets no employment because Mario claims him as a dependent on his taxes, so Luigi doesn't get anything in return. Taxes are weird in Mushroom Kingdom. The point is, Luigi's poor, and so am I. Welcome to $30 Cosplay.
Only got $30 in my pocket.
Hey, do you not have money to buy cosplays? Hey, do you not have time to make cosplays? Hey, do you not have skills to make cosplays? Me neither. That's why we're gonna go buy some cheap stuff. Your boy's been in the mood to cosplay some Smash characters, but he doesn't have time or money to dedicate to all the Smash characters he wants to cosplay, so we're gonna make some cheap alternatives. The goal today is Luigi. Here's what we're gonna do. I got $30, count them, $30 in my pocket. That's all we're gonna spend, and we're gonna become Luigi. We're gonna buy Luigi. We're gonna make Luigi. Accuracy is not important. Leave that to the people with money. What we're looking for is the illusion of accuracy. We want people to look at us and say, that guy kind of looks like Luigi. But easy flames. Why not just shop on Amazon? There's a lot more variety, and you'll probably find cheaper deals. Because we don't want to do that. That's not fun. That's not an adventure. We want adventure. Shoot, back when I first started cosplaying, I went to stores all over. I went to Macy's. I went everywhere to find stuff that I needed. Because one, I didn't know where to look. And two, it made it fun. It made it interesting. I didn't buy fabric. I bought stuff that I made into other stuff. And let's get that feeling back. Come on, it's 2019, let's live in the past. I think that's enough chit chat. We can't spend this $30 just standing here. So let's head on out there and let's see what we can find that could possibly be used for Luigi. Montage it. Oh, it's raining out there. Alright, we're all cosplayed up and ready to go, and we're ready to get wet and spend a little bit of money. Let's go. So before we go somewhere, we need to know where to go. Before we know where to go, we need to know what we need. So what do we need for Luigi? Key things that we need some brown shoes, we need some overalls, we need a green shirt, we need white gloves, we need a green hat. That's about it. Mustache, that we can finagle something for a mustache. That's easy to do. I'm really nervous that the ending to this video is going to be me saying, well, it can't be done, and then shop on Amazon. Because thinking shoes themselves are typically more than $30. So we're gonna, that's part of $30 cosplay. Sometimes you just gotta make it work, do as you can. I'm thinking the hardest thing to find might be the overalls, because I've never owned a pair of overalls. I don't know anything about them. So I went ahead and I googled old man clothing stores, and there was one that came up that was nearby, but it had $3 signs beside it, and that's $3 signs too many for our budget, so we're not going there. The next one that popped up was Walmart. Considering there was an old man literally standing in the middle of a crosswalk for a minute when I pulled in, I think we're in the right place. Walmart's a variety place. We might find everything in one stop. Let's see what we can do.
I love that the greeter was texting on his phone and not actually greeting people. Overalls sold out. And look at that price, oh my god.
I felt like the most suspicious guy in Walmart, walking in there with a big jacket on, just taking videos and leaving with nothing. I don't like the series. So we're off to a rocky start. Didn't find many cheap things, didn't find many anything. But we're gonna stay determined. We're gonna stay determined. This is gonna work. $30 cosplay is possible. I've tried 3 other random clothing places. Didn't even have overalls. It's getting a little discouraging. But isn't that how Luigi is supposed to feel? Now we're not only cosplaying, we're getting in character for free. I'm probably gonna make one more stop, because at this rate, it's going to be a $30 gas trip, and nobody wins there. One thing I did see while I was at Myers, no overalls. They did have, did give me the idea to look into like fishing waders, like rain suits, construction overalls. Old guys aren't the only ones who wear overalls. Sometimes professional labor people. I don't know what the use for them is. I don't wear them, but they exist, and maybe that's the only other option. Maybe that's the cheapest option. You know, union prices. What? We're going to Home Depot for cosplay. My car is vibrating violently, and I'm terrified. I want off the freeway. Alright, now we're at Home Depot. I'm really confused and concerned because there was another old lady standing in the middle of the crosswalk just for like 10 seconds. But this seems to be a theme today and I don't understand it. Well, a bird flew in front of me in the store. That's pretty much the only exciting thing that happened during that trip. I don't know anymore. I feel like $30 cosplay happened like 5 years too late. Things expensive now. And don't exist in stores. It's all online. It's an internet world. Maybe this is a lesson to Luigi. You can't fight the system, Luigi. You can't fight the system. You gotta work within it. To the internet. Tell me how's it feel driving out there, looking for some overalls, but too expensive for me. Well, boy, did that accomplish nothing. I mean, my egg on Pokemon Go hatched into a Growlithe while I was out there, so you can't ask for more than that. You really can't. But you know what, guys? I think we all learned something today. No, nothing. We didn't learn anything. We learned nothing. We accomplished nothing. We learned nothing. What a pointless day. Is this the end of $30 cosplay already? Do all of my plans for Smash and all the plans I have coming up, are they not going to come into fruition? Is everything I've thought about for the last month or two absolutely pointless? Wrong. This just means we gotta find another way. Like Luigi, we always find another... Screw Luigi. Luigi! This is your fault, Luigi. No one likes you. Mario's the man. Mario's the hero. If I would have said let's cosplay Mario, they would have lined the roads with overalls. Clearance. So this is just the beginning. Might need to rework this $30 cosplay idea. But we're still gonna do it. This is just the pilot episode. Tune in next Friday for the real $30 cosplay where we become Luigi. Cheap Luigi. Thanks to Amazon, probably. Here's to hoping for the best.